Finally, Samsung launched its mid-range smartphone Samsung Galaxy C55. The dimensions of this device: height 6.45 inches, width 3.01 inches, thickness 7.8 mm, weight 180 grams, and build front glass and eco leather back plastic frame. The display of this device: it comes with Super AMOLED Plus screen type and size 6.7 inches and 86.4% screen to body ratio. The resolution of this device 1080p and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 1000 nits peak of brightness. And the protection: it comes with Gorilla Glass 5. And the platform: it's come with Android 14 operating system and chipset is Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, and it's come with octa-core Cortex A710. GPU is Adreno 744 and the memory 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB ROM, and it's supported micro SD card. The camera of this device: this comes with triple camera main sensor, 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and 50 megapixel selfie camera, and it records 4K 60 fps video with main camera. The battery: it has 5000 mAh battery with 55 watt wire charging, no wireless charging, and 5 watt wired reverse charging. It has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, positioning, GPS, stereo speakers, USB Type-C, and fingerprint under display. And it has 400 price tag.